Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the Asian session, and so tonight is actually the RBA rate announcement, which is the Aussie dollar rate announcement. I just did, what did I do? Sorry, let me close this. I just did a quick scalp of the pound Aussie. It was showing bearish momentum, so I just got in, scalped for about 27 pips, close to it actually. Let's see, where did I get in? 1.83737 34 to 1.83465. 465. Yeah, it's about 27 pips. So dollar value is about, gross is $2.55 before commission. So actually right now it's reversing, it's going up. So that quick scalp was a good thing. I ended it there. I didn't follow through. Pound New Zealand is a correlated pair, so usually it follows through with Pound Aussie in the Asian session. So again, I didn't trade Pound New Zealand this evening because of I thought the Pound Aussie had more opportunities for the insofar as the rate announcement. So, and that turned out actually pretty positive. So yeah, that's about it. I just scalped it for 27 pips and we're good to go. We're finished. I'm not gonna chase this. This is most likely gonna go up. I think there's weakness in the Aussie dollar, so that's why the pound related in relation to the Aussie is going to be stronger. So that's why this is pushing up after the rate announcement. And so yeah, I'm not going to chase this, and it's about close to 12 o'clock in the evening, so I just want to go to sleep or do something else. So anyways, thanks for dropping by again. Hope you guys enjoyed the highlights, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Wow, this is going up pretty well. Anyways, okay, see ya. Bye guys.